There are some occasions in our lives that we have to reschedule our plans, like meeting or appointment, and just hold it earlier than usual or postpone it to another time. How can we say it in English? In these occasions, you can use two phrasal verbs. Imagine you want to ask your teacher to hold your class 1 hour earlier, for example, 9 a.m. So you can ask, and you can use the phrasal verb move up. So you can ask, can we move up our class to 9 a.m.? Can we move up our class to 9 a.m.? Now, imagine you want to postpone it to next week. Here you can use the phrasal verb put off. So you ask, can we put off our class till next week? Can we put off our class till next week? And the third occasion is that you have an appointment, date, or anything, and you want to ensure it's going to be held on the exact time. There is no need for rescheduling. So you say it like this: are we still on for dinner tonight? If you find it useful, please let me know on comments.